I've never seen sheep run that. Oh, you know who's the leader?
Great show last night, day 4. Do you have anything to say?
I got lots of things to say. It was a great show last night.
What about you, darling?
I'm a gangster.
Great show last night. We sold lots of merch. Stayed at this lovely little B&B here. And we just saw some sheep. And now we are going to another castle because we have a driving day today. And yeah,
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun.
Frankenstein.
We're going to Castle Frankenstein.
It's the second castle.
All right,
two
we'll see you guys
castles.
later.
Yeah.